on.
Okay, okay. You're good.
Oh, my chicken.
Call them.
Chicken. Yeah, tiki tiki. Yeah, tiki tiki. Yeah, tiki tiki.
Look at them all. Say chick, 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 chick. Chick, 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 chick. No.
No, my chicken no need.
Yuck.
Yeah.
How do you call a chicken? Let me hear you do it.
That's an acorn.
That's a walnut.
Oh no.
Yep, that's a walnut. That's a black walnut tree we're under. Call them. Say, here, chick, 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 chick.
Oh, son, you get your ball.
What? I'm not going over there. That's not our yard.
Then get ball.
No. That's not your ball. That's not a ball. That's a walnut that's not ripe. Oh, look at that one. He's right there. Say hi to him. Look, here he comes, Ireland. Look at him. Say hi, chicken. Oh, he's coming to see you. No.
This one, crocodile.
What you got?
Crocodile.
A crocodile? Oh, no.
Crocodile.
Not a crocodile.
Crocodile.
Is it a crocodile or an alligator? Now you've got an alligator and a what? Two of them? Is one a crocodile? What are you doing? What are you going to do with all that tree bark?
You have one.
Oh, thank you.
And I'm going to have one.
Okay.
Crocodile.
Alligator.
Crocodile.
Alligator.
Crocodile.
Ah.
Crocodile.
Ah.
Crocodile. Crocodile. Crocodile.
Those chickens are saying that little girl's silly.
Crocodile. 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 Crocodile.
Okay. I don't think they know what you're saying.
No, I'm saying crocodile.
Yeah, but chickens don't understand that. They speak chicken. Let me hear you speak chicken.
Crocodile.
What do chickens say?
Crocodile.
No, they don't say crocodile. What do they say?
Crocodile. Crocodile. Yeah. Crocodile. Then you're saying crocodile.
Alligator.
Crocodile.
Alligator.
Crocodile.
Alligator.
Crocodile.
Does that chicken know its ABCs? Why don't you teach him?
My chicken was crocodile.
No, the chicken wants to hear ABCs.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, J-K-I-L-P, T-R-S-T-Y-V, W-S-Y-Z-T. Now my ABC, set at me.
Okay, now, that chicken's birthday is today. So, you got to sing happy birthday to the chicken. Sing it loud so the chicken can hear you.
No.
Come on.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Dear chicken.
Happy birthday to you.
Oh, that chicken's so happy. Look at him scratching. You made him so happy.
There's a backup.
Now, that chicken there wants to hear the wheels on the bus. Go ahead, teach the chicken the wheels on the bus.
I get ya.
No, teach him wheels on the bus.
No. I want I get ya. 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 What does he do?
Well, guess what? Here's another piece.
There's a piece in it.
Here.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Teach the chicken the wheels on the bus.
No, I want I get ya.
No.